Okay, this is lesson 10 and it's for Tuesday, April 21st. And the title of your lesson today is called Quarters and Fourths. Okay, so a quarter of something is the same as a fourth. And if you think of a dollar bill, how many quarters equals a dollar bill? 4. Okay, so on a shape, if they say a quarters in a shape, they mean 4. 4 equal parts. Okay, and what they want you to do is separate the rectangle into 2 equal parts and then separate it into 4 equal parts. And then shape each part a different color. Okay? And then they want you to do that with the circle. So, you already have these shapes on there and do as close as you can, okay? And then I want you to color each part. And you can color, you know how hard it is to color out here. Yours can look much nicer than Mrs. Whitteman's, okay? And then, just make this one black. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. That's a quarter, that's a quarter, that's a quarter, that's a quarter. Okay? Or that's 1/4, or that's a fourth, or that's a fourth, or that's a fourth. You can call them either one. In a circle, make it like 4 big pieces of pizza. Okay? You want to color it. Once again, please make yours look much better than Mrs. Whitteman's. Okay? Alright, and that's all on the front page. Let's turn the page, and I'll have to still erase, of course, like always. And, whoops. I can hear some of you laughing. Alright, it says, a whole that is separated into 4 equal parts is separated into fourths or quarters. Each part is a fourth of or a quarter of a whole. So you can trace over yours. You have 4 equal parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could say 4 fourths or 4 quarters. You can say it those 3 ways. All right. Let's move down to the next part. All right. It says write how many equal parts make up the whole. Count how many equal parts. Write it down on both of those. And then it says draw lines to show 4 equal parts. Write how many fourths. So you just want to divide these to where there's 4 equal parts. And I think you can do that since we did the front ones together. All right? Then you'll flip your page. And it says a quarter of each shape is missing. Draw the missing quarter. So I will do the first one with you. And so we only have 3 parts. And there's 1 equal part missing. So I want to make it as close to the size of these as I can to finish it. Do you see how to do that? Okay. And down here, they want you to color a fourth of each shape. Write how many parts are shaded. So if you're going to color a fourth, that just means 1 part of it. All right? So let's do the first one together. Okay? I'm just going to do a fourth of it. And then I have to write. How many parts did I color? I colored 1 part, and how many are there altogether? 4. I colored 1 of 4 parts. Okay? And then the last part says color 1 equal part, fill in the numbers. Same thing. You're going to color one part. You're going to write how many parts you colored of how many parts altogether. Okay, flip it to the back. Okay, it says Heidi has a cookie. She and 3 friends want to share the cookie. How many equal parts does Heidi need? Well, here's your hint. There's Heidi and 3 friends. So how many equal parts will they need to divide that cookie into? Okay? Heidi and 3 more. Right, how many equal parts they need. And then, hot problem. It says, Adrian draws a line on a rectangle to show equal parts. Then she draws another line to show more equal parts. Describe what happens to the sizes of the parts. Okay, so here's what she started out with. Then she divided it here and had those 2 parts, and then she drew that line. Did the sizes of the parts get bigger or did they get smaller? So I want you to write either bigger, so I'll write them here, but I want you to write them on the line. Did the sizes get bigger as she divided them, or did they get smaller? Okay? And that's what you do on that page. And that is all of Tuesday's math.